Are you ready for a day of luxury in the heart of Athens? Shop for top-notch items, savor exquisite food, coffee and drinks, and make the most of your day. Let's go!
Γεια σας. Ένα κουλουράκι θα μου δώσετε. Ναι. Ευχαριστώ πολύ.
Εγώ πολύ. Είμαι στο κέντρο και είπα μήπως είσαι.
Γεια σου.
Δεν προσαρμόστηκε.
Πιθανότητα όντως θα πω.
Perfino ora.
Αλλά αυτό δεν θα μπορούσα να το
As we conclude our exploration of the luxurious streets of Athens, I'd love to hear about your experiences in this area or your future plans to visit. Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you have any questions about your trip to Greece, feel free to drop a comment. And if you enjoyed the video, remember to give it a thumbs up. Your support is truly inspiring and means the world to me. Thank you.